If you just switched from an Infinix Android phone to a new iPhone, the first thing you may worry about is how to transfer contacts from Infinix to iPhone safely and quickly. This video walks you through every method step by step so you can choose the best one according to your needs. Part 1. How to transfer contacts from Infinix to iPhone wirelessly. This part introduces the 3 most commonly used wireless methods. Whether your iPhone is brand new or already set up, you'll find a suitable solution to transfer contacts from Infinix to iPhone easily. 1.1. Move contacts from Infinix to iPhone with Move to iOS. This method is ideal if your iPhone is new or has been reset to factory settings because it only works during the initial setup. Step 1. On your Infinix phone, go to the Google Play Store and install Move to iOS. Step 2. Turn on your new iPhone and start the setup process. Step 3. When you reach the Move Data from Android option, tap it. Step 4. On your Infinix phone, open Move to iOS and tap Continue. Step 5. Enter the code displayed on your iPhone into the Infinix device. Step 6. Select Contacts as one of the data types to transfer. Step 7. Tap Continue and wait until the transfer completes. Step 8. Finish setting up your iPhone, and your contacts will appear in the Contacts app. 1.2. Sync contacts from Infinix to iPhone using a Google account. If you sync your contacts with a Google account, you can easily transfer them from Infinix to iPhone. Simply sign in with the same Google account on the iPhone, and the contacts will sync automatically, even if the iPhone setup is already complete. Step 1. On your Infinix device, go to Settings Accounts Google. Step 2. Ensure the toggle for contacts sync is turned on. Step 3. On your iPhone, go to Settings Mail Accounts. Step 4. Tap Add Account and select Google. Step 5. Sign in using the same Google account used on your Infinix phone. Step 6. Make sure contacts syncing is enabled. Step 7. Wait a few minutes until your Google contacts appear on your iPhone. 1.3. Export contacts from Infinix to iPhone via SIM card. However, since the SIM card has limited capacity, this method is only suitable for situations where there are fewer contacts. Step 1. On your Infinix phone, open the Contacts app. Step 2. Tap Manage Contacts and choose Export to SIM card. Step 3. After exporting, power off the phone and remove the SIM card. Step 4. Insert the SIM card into your iPhone. Step 5. On your iPhone, go to Settings Contacts. Step 6. Tap Import SIM Contacts. Step 7. After the import finishes, the contacts will be saved to your iPhone's internal memory. Part 2. How to transfer contacts from Infinix to iPhone using USB. Coolmuster Mobile Transfer supports one-click transfer of contacts from Infinix to iPhone. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer. Connect both your Infinix phone and iPhone to the computer using USB cables. Step 2. Launch the software and ensure the Infinix phone is set as the source and the iPhone as the destination. If not, click Flip to change. Step 3. Select contacts as the data type you want to transfer, and then click Start Copy to begin the transfer. Wait for the process to complete. Your iPhone will now contain all contacts from the Infinix phone.